Can I go from zero to fluent English in just 30 days? Let's find out. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host and I am super excited to share with you some actionable strategy to help you speak fluent English like a pro. If you are struggling to express yourself in English or feel like you are stuck in a rut, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Nigam and I am from Bihar. I'm recording this video after a long time because I'm suffering from fever and cold, and look, I'm also in this time ill, but still today I record. So don't forget to watch full video. In this time my voice is low, so ignore my voice. Focus on what I am saying. Many of you might be feeling frustrated with your English learning journey. I totally get it. I have been there too. You are putting in the effort, attending classes, practicing with language exchange partner, but still you feel you are not improving as quickly as you would like. You might be worried about making mistake or sound awkward in conversation. I want you to know that you are not alone. These fears and doubts can be overwhelming, making you wonder if you achieving fluency is even possible. You might feel like you are just not cut out for language or that you are too old to learn. But here's the things. Fluency is within your reach, and it's not just about the amount of time you spend studying. It's also about how you approach learning and your mindset toward making mistakes. Many learners are held back by the fear of speaking incorrectly. But the truth is, mistakes are essential parts of learning process. The good news is that there are ways to overcome these obstacles and speak English with confidence. So, let's dive into some practical tips to help you improve your spoken English. First, I want to talk about the power of shadowing. Involves listening to a native speakers and repeating what they say, trying to mimic their intonation, rhythm, and pronunciations. For examples, you can watch a TED talk or a YouTube video on, on a topic that interested you and try to repeat what the speaker said. This will help you get used to the natural flow of English and improve your pronunciation. Another tips is practice speaking with native speakers as much as possible. This can be through language exchange apps, online conversations platforms, of even in-person meetups. The more you practice speaking, the more confidence you will become with using English real life. Additionally, try to think in English as much as possible. Instead of translating from your native language to English, try to think directly in English. This will help you become more fluent and spontaneous in your conversation. Lastly, I want to share powerful insight that I believe can shift your perspective on English fluency. It's the idea that fluency is not just about mastering grammar rules or vocabulary, but also about developing a growth mindset. This means embarrassing challenge, pers- persisting through obstacles, and viewing failures as opportunity for growth. When you adopt this mindset, you will become more confident in your abilities and more willing about take risk in your language learning journey. By combining these practical tips with the right mindset, you can achieve fluency in English and communicate it with confidence. To recap, the key takeaway from this video are: practice shadowing, speak with native speakers, think in English, and adopt a growth mindset. If you are serious about achieving fluency, I encourage you to take action and start implementing this strategy today. If you have any question or topic you would like to discuss, please leave them in the comments below. I also share your biggest English learning challenge with me. I would love to hear about and offer some advice. Don't forget to subscribe for more English learning tips and tricks. And check out this video, other video on my channel where I share my top language learning apps. Okay.